Hey everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit that red subscribe button and also hit notification bell. Hey everyone, so I am so glad to see you. I missed you guys and I have something to tell you guys, which as you're seeing the title is going to be an update video, basically let you know what's been going on, the details about it, all that good stuff. And for the most, let's get into this video because it is going to be a lot that you want to hear, basically want to know, because it's going to be kind of like not juicy but good, so basically, let's get right into it. I am going to be doing a series, and that is of me doing makeover in my whole entire house. It's going to be a house update video series that I'm going to be doing. So excited because my house really do need it, and I figure like if I really want to be living here like this for a while, I really want my house to really be the way I really want it, I already pictured it to be. So that is really about what I really have to tell you guys. And within that also of me doing this series is going to be like probably like each video within the episode, like during like a series, is going to be like each room it's gonna be something different. Like the kitchen is gonna be something different, like top to bottom, from how that looks, from how the living rooms, from the beginning to the end, like that cutthroat, like wow, oh my goodness, like it looks like this now, looks like oh my goodness, it's kind of look expensive kind of room looking. So yes, that is basically how this series is going to be. Like, trust me, you do not want to miss out because it's going to be, like I said, enjoyable, entertaining. It's something you probably want to look into, see how you can basically update your house to make it something that you want to live within your house for the rest of the years to come. So hey, just be on the lookout. So like I said, be on the lookout. It's gonna be exciting. I can't wait. Right now I am actually going to start purchasing some stuff right now because I am budgeting everything. It's another thing within this series. Everything that I am doing for my whole entire house update, basically makeover, within the series is going to be budget. So like me doing my cabinets, if I want to, that's going to be on a budget. Like everything that I am doing for this house is going to be on a budget, and I want to stay on the budget. So make sure when you are watching this, or if you do want to like make over your house or update, decorate, however you want to do it, just try to have a budget, so that way you are not stressing yourself out, and you can still save you some money at the end of the day, because you don't want to lose money. So make sure you just keep that in mind when you are wanting to. So yeah guys, that is really about it that I really have to tell you. I'm just super excited. It's just a lot is going to be happening, so make sure your notification bell is turned on to all, so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And also within, I'm going to be doing more content outside of this series as well, like DIY videos, decorating videos, because spring is coming up soon, so I'm going to be doing stuff like that, videos for that as well. Basically I'm pushing out a whole bunch of content that's going to be very different, and also just still sticking to what my main channel is basically based on. So I'm excited for basically new adventures within my channel. So hope you look forward to it and be on the lookout. So stay tuned. Make sure the notification bell is turned on. Make sure you are subscribed because you don't want to miss out. So yeah, that is it.